Welcome to Uni-Beacon, where learning coding, AI, and data skills is fun and easy. We're a team of professionals specialising in computer and data science, and we offer online courses for kids, and even adults, to explore coding, AI, and data literacy. The first course we offer is Python for Kids, Basic, for ages 10 and up. And we have more courses coming soon, including Python Intermediate, Python Advanced, AI Explained for Kids, and Understanding AI. So, why choose Uni-Beacon? First, our courses are produced by experts with over 20 years of experience in higher education and the technology industry. Second, our lessons focus on practical, hands-on learning, not theory alone. And third, we provide a safe and engaging environment for beginners to explore coding. Uni-Beacon's website offers a secure and user-friendly online learning platform. To get started, simply create an account with a password. If your child will be taking the course, a parent or legal guardian must enroll and manage the account on their behalf. Once you enter a course, you'll see a detailed course description. At the bottom, you'll find all the lessons, exercises, and quizzes. Each step is easy to follow. Lessons feature clear explanations with animations, interactive exercises, articles for extra learning, and fun mini-projects like games to apply new skills. Interactive quizzes are integrated throughout the course to support active learning and comprehension. Once you pass 70% of the quizzes, you'll earn a certificate. Join Uni-Beacon today and explore coding, AI, and data skills for you or your child. Enroll now and start your learning journey.